Sarthak.
Hello, ma'am.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good, Sarthak. So this is Aruna from Quality Department, Sarthak. I
Okay.
just want to take a feedback interview from your side. So first of all, congratulations for your placements.
Thank you. Thank you.
So can you introduce about yourself, Sarthak? Your earlier
I'm,
studies, hometown, and presently what you're doing?
I'm Sarthak. I'm from Chikmagalur. Studied in graduated as engineer from Adish Engineering Institute of Technology. Completed my pre-university at St. Angels, and my schooling is completed in JVS. Born and brought up in Chikmagalur. So now currently training from CMTI. I'm from uh, CMTI group. So
Know about CMTI, Sarthak?
CMTI, I get to know about CMTI by they actually did internship in our college.
Okay,
So from there, I get to know about CMTI.
fine. So what and all you learned in CMTI, Sarthak?
Ma'am, everything related to practical things. So how to implement inside about practical things I learned everything from scratch to the top. From the scratch I've learned.
Okay. So what about your site training and all? How was that? Your site training.
Site training is site training. Every site training is done by Redappa sir. He explains practical things very well. So it was nice.
So what about your trainers and all? Natarajan sir, Ashok sir. How was they?
Very nice, ma'am. They are very knowledgeable, and they share knowledge to us so that we become knowledgeable.
Okay, fine. So what about CMTI app and all, Sarthak?
CMTI app is it's okay. It's useful.
Fine. So what about CMTI apps coordination? How was that?
Pretty good, ma'am. It's good.
Fine. So finally, what do you want to say to your friends in junior, Sarthak?
If you want to become industry ready, you can come and join the CMTI.
Okay. Fine. Thank you. Thank you so much for your feedback. All the best for your future. And once again, congratulations for your placements. Thank
Thank
you,
you.
Sarthak.
Thank you.